Hi, this video is for visibility modifier in Kotlin. So there are four visibility modifier in Kotlin: private, public, internal and protected. And the private is accessible only inside the class where it defined. Public is accessible entire the project. Internal can access within the module, and protected can access using inheritance in the child classes. Let's see practically how these things works. So I am having one class test01 where I define four methods: private method, public method, protected method and internal. There is no modifier in front of this public method because it's by default it's public. Now I will try to access these methods outside of the class. So I have created one method main, and here I'm going to create the object of test01, and let's try to access the method. So I should able to access the public and internal method. So test01 dot internal method, yes, I can access. Test01 dot public method, I can access, but I should not able to access the private and protected method. Test01 dot, so it's giving only the option for public and internal but not for protected and private. If I will forcefully try to access, it will give me the compiler error. For protected it is giving the compiler error, same it should give for the private method. Yeah, now let's try to access the protected method using inheritance. I'm going to create the class test02 where I'm going to inherit test01. So for inherit I need to make test01 as open. Yeah, so I have inherited here test01, and let's create one function, fun new method, and here I should able to access the protected method. Yeah, I'm able to access the protected method. I should also able to access the public and internal method. But I should not able to access the private method. So it's giving me the compilation error. Now let's see how internal and public behave outside of the module. So I am having the two module in my application. One is app module and one is login module. And in login module I have already defined the separate module class. There I am having two method, one is public method 1, and one is internal method 1. And I will try to access this method in another module called app, and I should able to access the public method, but it should give me the error for internal method. So let's test01 is in the app module and try to access the separate module. Let's create the object of separate module where separate module equals to separate module, and we should able to access the public method. Yes, I'm able to access, but I should not able to access the internal method, and it should give me the compilation error. So as you can see here, I am able to see the compilation error for internal method, but for public I am able to access. Let's check one more fact about visibility modifier in Kotlin. So here I have created one file, Kotlin test file, and there is no class inside this file, and I am able to define the public variable, private variable and internal variable, but I should not able to define the protected, because protected is built for inheritance and I can access the protected items using inheritance, and inheritance is applicable only in the classes. So in the file I should not able to create the protected properties or method. So that's all in this video, and thanks for watching this video.